Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's short video, I'm going to share with you a new product from Enchem, the Tiny Tech. As always, our full disclosure, this samples was given to us for free with no requirements or demands from Enchem. A small light tool that is specially designed for unboxing, also for cutting food and soft material packaging, will not cut your fingers or your hands, but sharp enough to cut through tapes and soft materials. Super safe for children to use also. There are two parts of the blade, break and slide. According to Enchem, the blade material is as strong as a worker's safety helmet. Features. This lot here is for your keychain ring. You can bring it along wherever you go and use it when needed. There is a small built-in magnet inside for you to place on any magnetic surface. One Tiny Tech comes with two spare replacement blades. End of the quick overview, and time now for demo. In our opinion, use this part known as break to create a hole and use the slide part to slice. If there's a need to change the blade, here is how to replace it. Use the spare blade, insert into this bag, twist it and you open. Next is to replace the blade accordingly, which is pretty straightforward. After that, just close it back and it's done. Does the Enchem Tiny Tech interest you? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.